we are studying why do we fall ill. Why do we fall ill? Why do we fall ill? And here some questions are there. See the page number 178. Page number 178. 178. Some questions are there. First question you see. State any two conditions essential for good health. Two conditions essential for good health. What two conditions necessary for the good health? One is proper sanitation or clean atmosphere, and second is balanced diet. Second is balanced diet. So one is the best sanitation or clean surrounding and the balanced diet. If our atmosphere is neat and clean, there will be proper arrangement of disposal of the waste, no stagnant water, then there will be least possibilities of the diseases, because dirty atmosphere causes many diseases. So first answer we can see here. Answer the first, the two conditions. Two conditions essential for good health. Essential for good health are: number one, what I have told you, A, better sanitation. A, better sanitation or clean surroundings, and second is availability of balanced diet. Balanced diet. So two things are there. The two conditions essential for good health. If we clean of the surrounding, if we live in the clean atmosphere, clean surrounding, then there will be least possibilities of the diseases. In that situation, we will be healthy. Our health will be good. And availability of balanced diet. Diet is necessary, balanced diet is necessary. If we are taking a balanced diet, then we will have the good health. If diet is imbalanced, we are not getting the sufficient of the vitamins, we are not getting the minerals, we are not getting proper amount of the proteins or the carbohydrate, that may causes the deficiency disease. That may causes the deficiency diseases. And if more amount we are taking, then we may also be suffer from the diseases. So we should have to take a balanced diet. So two conditions essential for the good health are better sanitation or the clean surroundings, and second one the availability of the balanced diet. Now second question we can see. State any two conditions essential for being free of disease. So two conditions essential for being free of diseases, for being free of diseases are number A, living in hygienic environment. Number one is living in and second getting vaccination. Are they getting vaccinated? Are the vaccination getting vaccinated against diseases? So two situations are there. The conditions essential for being free of diseases. Being free of diseases. So one is living in hygienic environment. Atmosphere plays an important role in relation to our health. So, living in a hygienic environment. Hygienic means that having the clean atmosphere. Our surrounding must be neat and clean. Next, getting vaccinated against the diseases. Getting vaccinated against the diseases. Let us discuss in more detail about the vaccines. You are familiar to the polio vaccine. It is given to the child to protect the child from the vaccine, from the polio. In the same way, others vaccine, BCG, etc., tetanus, the vaccines are given to the individual. That vaccine protect from the pathogen. Today we are familiar to the COVID-19. This is a viral disease, and if vaccine is available, vaccine is given to the individual, then in the body of the individual there is the formation of antibody against the pathogen. In this way, pathogen cannot cause disease in us. So in this way, two things are there. One is living in hygienic environment and getting vaccinated against the diseases. By two ways, we can be disease free. So now next question. Now next question we have to see are the answers to the above questions necessarily the same or different? Why? Actually, answer number third question. The question are the answers to the above questions necessarily the same or different? Why? Actually, answers are interrelated. This means both are interrelated. Both are interrelated. Both are interrelated but different. But both are interrelated but different because both are interrelated but different because being disease free, because being disease free does not mean not mean is healthy. Pain is healthy. So in this way we can get the answer. So both are the interrelated. Both means that is the are the answers to the above questions in necessarily the same. Actually both are not same but interrelated. Both are the interrelated but different, because being disease free does not mean is healthy. Pain is healthy. So in this way we can study the 3 questions. So next we will discuss disease and its cause. We will discuss on the next time. Thank you.